Terrifying moments when volcanic debris pelted a lava tour boat off Kapoho. Tonight, family members of the most seriously injured passenger, a 20-year-old woman, tell us that she's already undergone 2 surgeries. She was one of 23 people hurt when yesterday's explosion pelted passengers with rocks and lava.
Tonight, we're learning more about the company Lava Ocean Tours and the captain, who is also the owner, Shane Turpin.
It's still unclear at this time exactly how close Lava Ocean Tours was to the Kapoho Ocean entry when this explosion happened. According to U.S. Coast Guard officials, initial reports indicate that Captain Turpin was about 200 meters offshore. However, several eyewitnesses and many of the passengers say they thought they were a lot closer.
This video, taken by the UAS team, Unmanned Aircraft Systems, shows lava erupting from Fissure 8, within a cinder cone that is now about 120 feet tall. Lava emerges from the cone at a velocity of 13 to 16 miles per hour, flowing freely over a small set of cascades, rapids. Lava flows into a perched channel about 50 feet above ground level, and travels about 8 miles to the active ocean entry.
At this time, DLNR officials confirmed for us that Shane Turpin and Lava Ocean Tours still has its permit to operate out of Hilo Harbor. In fact, we saw them take a tour out just hours after yesterday's explosion. The only thing that has changed, of course, now is the U.S. Coast Guard says all mariners, even if they're licensed lava tour boat operators, have to make sure that they observe the now 300-meter mandatory safety perimeter zone.